Good afternoon, students. Today we will study about the states which are lying at the southern plateau. Okay. Yesterday also we studied about three states. Today we will study about the Odisha, Maharashtra, and Karnataka. Now, first of all, you have to see on the map. Odisha is lying at the southeast part of our India. This is Odisha. And after that, Maharashtra is here. This is western part of our India. This is Gujarat, and here is Maharashtra. It is very big state. Okay. And after that, next is Karnataka. Yes, here it is. Southern part of the Maharashtra is here. Karnataka. This is the Karnataka area. Okay. Now let us start by Odisha. Odisha is very famous by many ways. Let us study. Okay. First of all, have you ever heard about the Rasagolla and the Kheer? These eating things. Have you ever eaten Rasagolla and Kheer? Rasagolla and Kheer started by Odia people. That means in Odisha it is started, invented in Odisha. Okay? And Odisha is famous for the Rath Yatra. Okay? Rath Yatra, Jagannath temple is very famous here. And let us see about the industry of Odisha. Odisha has mines of coal and iron. Okay, coal and iron. And here the steel companies SAIL, the full form is Steel Authority of India Limited. Steel Authority of India Limited, SAIL. And after that, one more company, POSCO. Another company, Jindal. These are the main steel companies. And Rourkela steel plant is very famous in our India. Occupation of Odia people or Odisha. Main occupation is agriculture, and Odisha make beautiful articles of filigree work. Yes, filigree they carve on the silver metal, and after that they carve means by digging they make the different items with different shapes. Main crops: rice, pulses, oilseed, jute, sugarcane, coconut, and turmeric. Next is food. What kind of food they eat? Rice and lentils. Lentils means dals. And after that, next let us study about the Maharashtra. Here Maharashtra, the capital of Maharashtra is, what is that? Mumbai. Okay? Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Why Mumbai is famous in our India? It is famous for film industry. And one more famous is by the oil industry. Okay? So, many other things are also here. Tourist places, Gateway of India, hanging gardens, that is garden, looks like hanging. Ajanta cave, Ellora cave, Elephanta cave, and Khandala and Lonawala. These are also famous places. Next about the temples also. Sai Dham Sridi temple, Haji Ali Dargah, Mahalakshmi temple. These are also famous places. Industries in Maharashtra. First of all, just now you heard about Textiles, you know, cotton textile is very famous because the soil of this area, the black soil, is very suitable for the cotton. Okay, automobiles, electronics. What is automobiles? Do you understand by automobiles? Automobiles means the car, cycle, bus, truck. These are the automobiles. Electronics. That means the electronics. You know, the radio, the telephone, whatever, many kind of things. Occupation. What kind of occupation the people mostly do in Maharashtra? Farming. And after that, main crops. What are the main crops here? Cotton. Just now you studied. Cotton, sugarcane, groundnut, millets, rice, and pulses. Alfonso mango is also grown here. It is the famous. The Maharashtra is famous for mangoes also. Food items. Vada pav. Yes, vada pav, pav bhaji, bhelpuri, srikhand, and puran poli. These are the food items. Dresses. Let us see about the dresses. Women wear the special 9 meters sari, and men wear dhoti and feta. They wear on the head. And language is Marathi and Konkani. Dance. Let us see about the dance. Lavani dance and the Tamasha dance. Okay, Lavani and Tamasha dance in Maharashtra is famous. Okay. Festivals. What kind of festivals they celebrate? Festivals are Ganesh Chaturthi, Navratri, Diwali, and Gudi Padwa. Yes, these are the festivals. Okay, now let us see about the Karnataka. Here is Karnataka state. Okay, little bit we have to know about the Karnataka also. That is the southern state. Karnataka, the capital of Karnataka is Bengaluru, and important cities are Mysuru, Bangalore, and Mangaluru. These are the main cities. Tourist places: Gol Gumbaz at Bijapur, Jog Falls. Yes, that is very famous fall. And Sivan Samudra Falls, Mysore Palace. At Mysuru, Darya Daulat, Srirangapatnam. That is at Srirangapatnam. Okay, these are also famous places. Occupation. At Karnataka, people do farming, fishing, animal rearing, horticulture, beekeeping, leather working, sericulture. So now you have to understand. Fishing, you know, animal rearing, you know, horticulture. Horticulture means bagwani karna. The agriculture in your farm, in your bagan, in your small bagan or big bagan. So you are doing the bagwani karna. That is called the horticulture. Beekeeping. Bee means, you know, bee, madhupalan, leather working, and sericulture. What is sericulture? Sericulture is rearing the caterpillar and this रेशम का कीड़ा पालना. Okay, caterpillar रेशम का कीड़ा जो पालते हैं, and they get the cocoon से रेशा बनता है, and that is the रेशमी कपड़ा बनता है. Okay, teak and sandalwood is famous here. Teak and sandalwood. These are also main work here. Now, the crops: cotton, coffee, sugarcane, jowar, and spices. These are the main crops. Dresses. Women wear the mostly colorful silk sari, because silk, you know, silk sari is made by cocoon or that silk thread. And men is lungi and shirt. Yes, they wear lungi. Not like us that we wear the full pants. No, they wear the lungi. Language. Kannada language. Now the music and dance. What kind of music? Carnatic classical music is very famous in our India. And popular dances, Yakshagana and Krishna Parijata. These are the dances. Now Carnatic classical music, that is the music. But Yakshagana and Krishna Parijata are the dances. Food, what kind of food they eat? Bisi bele bhat, and after that uli ogare, ragi, aki, sambar dosa, and payasa, ladu and juice. These are also sweet dishes. Okay, students, this much only. Thank you.